Dropshipping has dramatically changed. A few years ago, all you had to do was use AliExpress and buy a bunch of ads, but that isn't the case anymore. Now you can do it for completely free and use a supplier that will get you 10 to even less shipping days. So if you're using AliExpress or paying a bunch of ads, you're doing drop shipping wrong. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can leverage social media for free to potentially scale up your dropshipping business and make thousands of dollars per month. What you want to do is leverage all the social media platforms. So this means Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and sometimes YouTube. Because think about it, let's say you have content on TikTok, you're making videos on TikTok and it's doing pretty well, you're getting a couple of sales, but let's say you can repurpose that content, just take off the logo and put it on Instagram, Facebook, and all the other platforms. And let's say on Instagram you get a lot of sales from there, and you would have never known that if you just would have been using TikTok. It's completely free to use all of them, so you might as well leverage all the social media platforms. It's not that hard to do. It's just a couple of steps you have to take, and the first one is you need to order a sample product. Whatever product you're selling, just order a sample from the supplier so you can make social media content with that sample product. So once you receive your sample product, you just start making content around your product. Whatever your product do, let's say you have a lava lamp, just turn on your lava lamp and just show how cool it is in your room, or just say something cool about it, or just show it in action. Whatever your product is, show it in action, show the good points of it, and that's pretty much it. And you just need to put on, I would say, 2 to 5 pieces of content a day. I know that's a lot, but this will only take you around 2 hours, even less when you get good at it. But you want to make sure you put on content consistently daily so you're able to grow on all the platforms, because some platforms will be better than others. So just make sure you are posting consistently. And this right here is one of the products I sell. As you can see, all I'm doing is just have a little quote up top and just showing my product in action, nothing too glamorous. And this video got 8 likes, but it got over 8,000 views on Facebook. So you never know how many people is going to see your product, and everybody that see your product, when you have your shop in your bio or whatever it's at, these can be potential customers. And it doesn't even always have to be around your product. You can just make content in your niche. So I'm in the cleaning niche, so I just made a simple video about how the dishes wasn't clean, and I just put that up because, you know, it's in the cleaning niche where I'm at, and you know it's going to relate to people that's in the cleaning niche as well. So what you want to do is make content around your product. You want to make content in your niche, and when you get to know the platforms that you're on, you can even make trending content as well that goes well with your product or the niche that you're in. You just got to make sure you're making content consistently, and this helps a lot, just focusing on those 3 forms of content to make sure you have content to post every day. Because when you post consistently on different platforms, the algorithm picks you up and you start getting more followers and more views, and the more followers you have, the greater number of views you can get if you're making quality pieces of content. Of course, you want to make sure you're on all the major platforms, but it's also important to know the demographic of your group as well, so you can know which ones to put more effort into. So if you're going to TikTok, they appeal more to the younger group, so this is great for like trendy products that isn't too expensive. I would say any products that's $30 or less will be great for TikTok, because people on TikTok generally spend less money because they're a younger demographic than all the rest. And on Instagram, they're anywhere from the ranges of around 20 to a 30-ish range on here, so it's younger too as well, but not as young as TikTok. TikTok is more Gen Z, but Instagram is more of millennials, because the millennials grew up more with Instagram, so a lot more millennials are on Instagram than it is on TikTok. Don't get me wrong, it's a combination of both, but I'm just saying it's generally more of Gen Z on TikTok and millennials on Instagram, so you can target the demographics better for this reason. On Facebook, they have a lot of the older generation on here, so if you have products like for, you know, daily use, cleaning, kids, or anything like that, it'll apply more to the Facebook audience, because you know they love them useful products. It doesn't have to be some flashy trending product for Facebook, because you know, like I said, they're older, so they'll be more interested in problem solving products like a back massager or anything that will help them around the house. Pinterest demographic is good for women. Pinterest has a lot of women on there. It's like 60 to 70% or even more than that that's on Pinterest. So if you have a product that caters to women mainly, then Pinterest, you have to be on Pinterest. Pinterest is the perfect platform for you for this reason. And when YouTube, honestly, I would say if you know how to grow on social media platforms, then you can go to YouTube. But if you're beginning in creating social media, then you might want to wait on it, because it's harder to grow on social media and harder to leverage the audience like than other different platforms. And if you're struggling to get content ideas, don't worry, it's actually really easy to get ideas. All you have to do is go to, like, let's say TikTok, and once you're on TikTok, just go to your niche. So I'm in a cleaning niche, so just click up cleaning, and once you click up cleaning, you can use other ideas from other people. So let's say you wanted to dance and clean like this woman right here. You can do a dancing and cleaning video. Or if you don't want to show your face or anything, you can just clean your home like this without showing your face. Or like I say, you can just show off your product. It's a lot of different forms of videos that you can go to and see in your niche. Mine's in a cleaning niche, but whatever yours is, you just can search it up in TikTok. So let's say yours was the coffee niche. So just go up to TikTok and push up coffee, and you can, see your niche, whatever niche you're in. Like I said, you just can go up to the TikTok, go to the search bar and search it up and see what other creators doing that's in the same niche as you, and just don't steal it exactly, but just, get inspiration from whatever content they're making to make yours as well. And the best part about using social media for your dropshipping business is you don't have to spend $1 in ads. I love that. You just have to grow on your platforms. And if you're wondering how long will this take for me, it all depends on how consistent you are. That's why I say you need to stay consistent, because with me, I started my account in August and I was posting consistently, and I won't lie, I stopped posting for a while, but it usually takes me 4 to 5 months of posting consistently to grow to a couple of thousand followers. Sometimes it can be 10K, sometimes it can be 15K. It all depends on if you have a video blow up or how good your content is doing. So just like I said, I can't stress it enough. I know I've said a lot, but just make sure you post consistently and you will grow. And I hope you was able to get a few tips out of this video, so it'll be easier for you to use social media for your dropshipping business. And good luck on your journey. Until next time.